A useful feature of CVP analysis is that we can use it to determine the selling price. Previously, we've just given you the selling price, but what if a business may know roughly how many units of the product it can sell, but it doesn't really know what selling price to charge to achieve their desired profit? Let's use an example. Mike's Bikes has the following information. We've seen this before. The metal frames are 100, the rent's 2,500 per month, the tires and gears are 40 and 160. Got the utilities and the wages are fixed at 500 and 3,000 per month. So we said those three costs there, the metal frame, the tires and the gears are variable. That's a total of 300 per unit. And the fixed cost with the rent, utilities and wages, that was a total of 6,000. Mike has the desired profit of 2,000, but he doesn't know how much he wants to charge for each unit. So the question Mike wants answered is, well, he thinks he can sell about 10 bikes per month. What selling price should he charge to achieve that profit? And that sounds very complicated, but to do that, we're just going to take our formula, our break-even point in units formula, which was fixed costs plus desired profit divided by the selling price less the variable costs. And we're just going to put in every bit of information that we have and all the things that we don't. So let's start with the fixed costs. We know the fixed cost was 6,000. Mike wants to achieve a profit of 2,000. He doesn't know the selling price, so we'll call that X. So we're going to use a little bit of algebra here and say that's going to be X. The variable cost of 300. But what we do know is that this break-even point, we know that he said he can only sell 10 units. So that is going to have to be his break-even point. To achieve a profit of 2,000, we're going to put the break-even point in as 10. But based on that, we can do a little bit of algebra. First thing we can do is say that the top half bit here was 6,000 plus 2,000, that's 8,000. This is dividing over here, so we're going to multiply. So we're going to move that over here and say X take 300 times 10. So that's gone. Now we'll move that 10 under here. So just to move it to the other side. So 8,000 divided by 10 is 800. Now we want to find X, so we've got negative 300 here. So we move that over and we say that's plus 300. So X now equals 800 plus 300 is 1100. So by doing that, we can actually answer Mike's question now. What selling price should he charge to achieve his desired profit? He should charge $1,100 per unit.